Welcome to Gordon Guitar, Gatie. We had him before here many times. We like him a lot here. So this one is a great song as well, like he normally does. Great songs, Can't Give Up. Okay, it's a 4-chord song and it's pretty easy. We have the same chord progression through the entire song. So we're gonna work with different ways of handling these chords. Okay, so we have kind of 3 different strumming patterns. They're pretty similar, but yeah. Anyway, let's start with the chords and the capo here on the 4th fret. That's the easiest chords possible here to handle the song and to match up with the sound. So let's start with the E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. C next. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next. 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord will be B minor. So we have a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So that means 5 strings from bottom up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Beautiful B minor will be the last chord here for the song. Now let's look at the first way of handling these chords. It's the first strumming pattern. It will be down, 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 like this. Okay, so E minor will be first. One chord progression round. So E minor, 1 round, C 1 round, G 1 round, and B minor 1 round. Okay, so down, 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 down. All right, so that is the intro. I'm gonna play 1 round of these chords, and then comes the first verse. Now we will change the strumming. You will play 2 chord progression rounds with this strumming here in the verse play. So E minor is the first chord. 1 round will sound like this. Okay, so it's down, clap, clap. So down, clap, down comes together. Then after this last down, you have a small pause there, and then comes the clap after that. So down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down, clap, down. Like this, okay? I demonstrated in the intro of this tutorial here 2 different ways of clap here. So one was like I just played, clap on all strings. What that will give you is a more prominent clap, but it will also kill the sound, so the strings won't ring out. So you do this, you kill the sound there, and you kill the sound there. All right. You can also choose to do the claps on just 1 string here on this E string in the bass, and that will be enough, and that will also give you the rings, all the strings. All right, the string ringing. All right, anyway, so you can try to play like this. So I just clap this E string up there. So it's up to you. You're gonna play 2 rounds of this chord progression with this strumming, and that will be the first verse. And that takes us to the first pre-chorus. You will just continue in the same way with the same strumming pattern there. So 2 rounds more of this, and that will take you to the first chorus. Okay, here it's the same chords and pretty similar strumming pattern. You will just add 1 extra down to it. So it will be down, clap, down, down clap. Okay, so again, down clap down starts in the same way, and you finish off with down clap. So one round will be down clap down, down clap, down clap down, down clap. All right, so you play 2 rounds with that strumming, and that will be the chorus. Now pretty much everything is repetition. You have the second verse here. You will play that one in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus. And the last part, second chorus, we play in the same way as the first one. It's only twice as long. So you play 4 rounds of this strumming pattern, and that will wrap it up for Gatie's Can't Give Up. And that's what I feel about this channel. With all your support, guys, and all your love, I just can't give up. I thought about it many times. I think it's fun, and I get your appreciation as well. So thank you for that, guys. That's why I hope to see you soon. Play tuned.